Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a tea rinse that will accelerate hair growth and also prevent split ends. If you are interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So the first ingredient that you're going to need for this hair rinse is going to be an aloe vera plant. I'm going to be using half of an aloe vera plant, and I'm just going to cut it up into smaller pieces. So the reason I'm using the aloe vera plant is because aloe vera contains vitamins A, C, and E. All of these vitamins contribute to cell turnover and also promotes healthy hair growth. Also, aloe vera helps to cleanse the scalp so more nutrients can penetrate the hair follicle, helping the hair to grow faster and more efficiently. So before I started cutting up the aloe vera plant, I went ahead and took 3 cups of distilled water and I put it into a pot and placed it on the stove. So once the water starts to boil, I'm going to go ahead and remove it from the heat. So once I removed it from the heat, I'm just going to go ahead and add the aloe vera to the water. Next, I will be adding dry chamomile flowers to the pot, and I'm going to be adding a 1/4 ounce of chamomile. Chamomile contains many essential vitamins that have great benefits for healthy hair and scalp. These combined vitamins work together to repair and nourish cells, which helps to make your hair strands stronger. Chamomile used regularly can lead to accelerated hair growth and fewer split ends. After I stirred all the ingredients together, I'm just going to put the lid on the pot and just allow the tea to cool down. So this is what the tea looks like after it's cooled down. I'm just going to grab a cheesecloth and I'm going to strain the tea. Now I'm just going to take the tea rinse and put it into a spray bottle to make it for an easy application. So at this point, you can stop here and you can begin to use the tea rinse on your hair. Or if you want to add a little extra to the tea rinse, I'm going to be adding a 1/4 teaspoon of MSM powder. And then I'm also going to be adding about 10 to 20 drops of peppermint essential oil. So when it comes to this hair rinse, you can use it as a leave-in spray or you can use it as a hair rinse. So if you plan on using it as a leave-in spray, you can use it 2 to 3 times a week and just spray it from root to ends and follow up with your favorite hair oil or favorite hair butter to seal in the moisture. If you plan on using it as a hair rinse, I would suggest after either shampooing your hair or deep conditioning your hair, as your final rinse, just pour this tea rinse all over your hair. And this rinse, when not in use, I would suggest placing it in the refrigerator. It should last about 2 to 3 weeks. If you want it to last longer, you could definitely place the tea into the freezer and do the ice tray method. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.